Today we're going to be looking at the installation for the Drivesmart connected DAB digital antenna. Before we head out into the car, I just want to introduce you to the parts. So here we have the magnet and the conductive band. This is the signal amplifier and this is the metal contact. When we're in the car, the metal contact will connect with the conductive band. When you do this, you need to ensure that the magnet is on the same side as the removable plastic. Finally, this is the signal induction silver wire. This will attach to our windscreen. Right, let's head out into the car. Okay, here we are in the car. So the first step will be to take the magnet and make sure that it attaches to the car. To do this, we need to pull the lining down slightly and push the magnet behind the lining until we can hear it connecting to the bodywork. You hear that? Do it again. I'm going to install this a little way out so that you can see what I'm doing, but you would install it closer to the edge of the windscreen. If you have a car with a heated front windscreen, try to avoid fitting over the elements if you can. That's it. Next, what you can do is simply feed this round the edge of the car. It's out the way. The pack also comes with some little adhesive stickers. You may want to use the adhesive stickers if you can't get your lead behind the lining, but you don't have to use them. I will just show you with the adhesive stickers. Enough. Now we're going to take the backing stickers off. I'm going to adhere them one by one to the windscreen. Have as many or as few as you wish. And there we go, it's that easy.